So in this video, I'm going to make a really simple guacamole. So to start, what I'm going to do is just take an avocado that's ripe, and you can tell that it's ripe because it's black, and if you squeeze it a little bit, you can feel that it's soft. So if we cut around the fruit, or actually, I don't know if it's a fruit or not, but we'll cut around it and then twist it to separate it. And now we'll cut it into quarters. Be able to get the pit out a little bit easier. Just like that. Twist that. And then we can kind of try to break the pit out like that. Now we can peel it, and the skin should just come right off, especially if it's ripe. And then put it right in the bowl. And do that with all these. Avocado is a very soft fruit. I'm not sure at all if it's a fruit or a, let's see, fruits have seeds. Yeah, fruits have seeds and pits. Like a mango would be a fruit. So yeah, this would be a fruit, I think. So now we have all these peeled. And we'll probably do a few more, but this will get us started. So we'll mash up the avocado with a potato peeler. And then once we get it all mashed up, we're going to put salsa in it. And that's actually just about the 2 ingredients that we need. And then we'll add a little bit of lime or lemon juice to add a little bit of tanginess to it. Now with all that mashed up, I'm gonna take a little bit of salsa and put some salsa in. It doesn't have to be accurate at all. So just mix it until the salsa is mixed in. Taste test it, and then either add more salsa or more avocado. All right. Actually, that's good. And as you can see, we added more avocado slices into the bowl. And now to balance that out, we're gonna put a little bit more salsa in here. One thing I really like about the guacamole is it makes your salsa kind of stretch a little further, but it just gives it a little bit extra taste. It's a little bit more flavorful than the normal salsa with just nothing else. So the guacamole, I think, gives it a really nice flavor that's a little bit more flavor. A little bit of lime juice. We don't need much, but just a little bit. About a cupful, because we have a pretty big batch here. And mix that in, and that's it. We have the guacamole all done and ready to serve. So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.